awake is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me
Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a mom life clean with me, as well as just kind of like a day in the life of a mom. So I'm going to take you along. I curled my hair because I was not feeling motivated, and I put on some workout clothes because there's something about getting a workout clothes to me that makes me feel motivated. So let's jump right into the day.
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
So I wanted to take the girls down to the bridge in the city that we live in. This is the most beautiful spot ever, you guys. I honestly love it here. They have a little park, so we played for a little bit. We played down by the water, which you will see in a minute here, and then you will also see the bridge, which leads to the United States. So we actually live in a border town, which was really nice way back in the day, but obviously right now we are not able to cross.
You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find it.
So I ended up just bringing the girls to the park down by the bridge here. I honestly just like love where we live. It is beautiful. And now I am just on my way to go get some french fries. So we're gonna have a little picnic by the water here. And yeah, then we'll head back home and get some cleaning done. So stay tuned for some cleaning motivation.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't want to talk anymore. I want to get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse.
So I am just kind of doing part of my cleaning routine here. If you haven't seen my full cleaning routine, I will have that linked down in the description. But I'm just going ahead and tidying up the main living area and doing a little bit of cleaning. So if you haven't already, get on up and get cleaning with me.
No, I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse.
So the only reason I'm going ahead and cleaning up the family living room is because I wanted to wipe everything down. Usually the girls help me to clean up prior to them watching their show while I cook supper. So we'll have just like a little cleanup party, and we just like to work together to get the house clean. I don't wipe the surfaces in my living room daily, to be honest, as it just does not need it.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
Okay, you guys. This little cabinet is out of control, so I'm gonna organize and get this cleaned. I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of been avoiding it, so what better time than right now to tackle it? So if you have a little cabinet or cubby in your house that you've been avoiding, I would love if you tackled it with me right now and cleaned it and organized it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I honestly don't know how this glass jar got so dirty, but it was really bad. So I'm just going ahead and scrubbing it with a cleaning toothbrush and hot water. That is all I did here. I didn't do anything else and it came out so clean. So then I wanted to go ahead and put our toothbrushes and stuff back in there and get this cabinet organized. I did throw a lot of stuff out as we didn't need it, so I did do some decluttering as well, which was really nice to just get rid of it. I am honestly on a mission to declutter and clean and organize my entire house, so stay tuned for that in some videos coming up here.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem you become like a wall, and every time I trip it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
So I just ran downstairs and grabbed supper. I have shepherd's pie in here. It was just a freezer meal that I had. Forgot to take it out this morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and thaw it. It is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so probably gonna have to cook it a little extra longer in the oven. But yeah, that's what's for supper tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and start making a grocery list and start meal prepping for the week ahead, as I'm not getting a good food or a HelloFresh meal this week. And so these are so handy to have, you guys, these freezer meals for days like today where I am just like momming and, you know, really and truly like solo parenting. And so I love having these freezer meals set in stone. If you would like a freezer meal video, let me know in the comments and I can definitely start doing like a little bit more homemaking and recipes and stuff like that. But of course these videos are for you guys and you're the ones that matter. So if you just want me to stick to cleaning, totally fine. My feelings won't be hurt. Let me know in the comments either way.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you.
All right, everybody, I'm going to end this video here. I hope that you guys got some cleaning motivation and enjoyed a more kind of day in the lifestyle video as a mom. And so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button. I have lots of clean with me's coming up here on my channel, as well as lots of homemaking motivation as well. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Tonight we're running on the right track.